Good morning, everyone. Okay, let's start a fresh start, I should say. Fresh start with the plant kingdom. So, just recall the content first. What are plants? Multicellular eukaryotic organism with photosynthetic mode of nutrition are included under plant kingdom. Okay, so this become the first point for all of us, that if someone asks that what do you mean by plants, so plants are, the first point is multicellular, they are eukaryotic, and the defining feature of plant is photosynthetic by the nature. Okay, so the mode of nutrition basically adopted by all the plants is photosynthetic. Now, the next point says that these are called as plants and are the main producer on land and water. As you all know, that plants are the main producer. Agreed? Now, next. With the help of the chlorophyll, they synthesize carbohydrates and release oxygen in air. This we know that the main motto behind the photosynthesis is that to form the carbohydrate in the form of sugar, which plant is stored in the form of starch, and the second one is that the very useful things which generated by the plant as a result of photosynthesis is release of oxygen. Now, the last point says that kingdom plant is divided into two subkingdom, and these subkingdoms are cryptogamy and phanerogamy. Okay, cryptogame and phanerogames. Remember cryptogame and phanerogames. One who is able to produce flower, the primitive one, and the next one who is able to produce flower. One is not and another is able to. Now come to the next slide. What is cryptogamy? Cryptos means concealed, gamos means marriage. What it means? Cryptogames, it means as I told that one is able to produce and another is not. So the spore producing plants which do not produce seeds and flower. Okay, so cryptogames basically are able to produce seeds only, they are not able to they are spores only, sorry, not able to produce seeds. If they are not able to produce, so how can they form flower? Now the next is reproduce sexually by gametes, but sex organs are hidden. For this hidden we use a word conspicuous. Okay, so many times we said that the reproductive structures are conspicuously arranged. It means in a hidden form, बहुत अंदर की ओर छुपे हुए धसे हुए होते हैं. And cryptogames include algae, bryophytes and pteridophytes. Next is phanerogames. What they are, the visible one, that they are here seed producing plants which have special reproductive structures that are visible. Okay, so visible structures they are producing, who phanerogames, and commonly called as seed plant. What they are called as seed plant because they are able to produce seeds. Now the next, those who are able to produce seeds can again divided into two. One is gymnosperm, okay, and another is angiosperm. Okay, now just move to the next slide. Silent features of major plants grouped cryptogams. So let's move with algae. Division algae, mostly aquatic, some terrestrial, some grow on the other plants. Free living, symbiotic. And if we just talk about the vegetative structure of this, so they are small, unicellular and microscopic, like cholera and chlamydomonas. So these two are highly microscopic in nature. And the next one is the multicellular and unbranched filamentous, a very well example which you all know, that is Spirogyra. And third is branched filamentous, Chara. It is also a visible structure. You can see it by naked eye also. And the third one is huge macroscopic seaweeds like Sorghum which measures from 60 meter in length. Very huge in size, isn't it? Okay. These are the some pictures of whom? These are the pictures of algae. Okay. These are the microbodies. Okay. The first one is of microbody. What I said in the micro. Micro में कौन थे? Cholera and Chlamydomonas. So these are cholera and Chlamydomonas. This is Spirogyra. This is Cara and this is Sorghum. Due to less space, I am sorry dear, I am not able to write on it. Okay, so I am repeating this once again. First one is of what? Chlamydomonas or cholera. Second one is, so here I am just putting the letter. The first one is Chlamydomonas or the Cara. Second one is Spirogyra. That's why I am writing S only. Here again it is Cara. Let me try. Yes, Cara. So this is Cara. And the last one is again Sorghum. Okay. The next slide, if you just